Hello everyone, I am your diva Chef Simone Walker Barrett, and today I want to show you how to make seafood rice. It's like a seasoned rice, but this one has loads of seafood. So if you ever see that rainforest seafood package in your freezer section in the supermarket and you don't know what to do with it, this is a great way to use it. So come with me and let me show you how to make some seasoned rice. Now, alright people, so for the seasoned rice, you're going to need some seasoning, and this is onion and scallion. In the pot I have some oil. Now it's very important to sweat or saute your seasonings. We refer to these as aromatic vegetables because they give the finished product a nice big burst of flavor. Now I'm also going to be adding some red bell pepper. You can use whatever bell pepper, and by the way, bell pepper is the same as sweet pepper. And you just want to saute them out just to coax that good flavor out. In here I have some carrot and pumpkin. All I did was to shred them. You can use the coarse shred side of your grater and just shred them. Okay, because it's very important that everything has a similar size to the rice that you'll be putting in. So we're moving those away. And then here is my little secret right here, curry powder. Now curry powder is going to give it a vibe, and then of course as soon as I added that curry powder, it smells absolutely amazing. Curry powder is made of turmeric and some bag of things, other spices, but the turmeric is really awesome. Okay, so you see what that looks like? Now this is a seafood mix. All I did was just to blanch it because you know sometimes it's kind of weird. So you want to just blanch it, and by blanching it you just bring it to a boil and then pour the water off and cool it down. In here you have a little squid, you have a little bit of baby octopus, you have also other things, but it's just a vibe. It's very delicious. So these are the brown ones. These are squids. They're the same as calamari. So if you prefer the fancy name calamari, this is octopus. And by the way, if you are a seafood lover, you will absolutely love this because this seafood mix has a lot of texture in it. So when you're eating, it really gives you a vibe. So now that we get our seafood mix in, we are going to be adding in rice. My rice of choice is basmati. Now, if you don't have basmati rice, you can use any rice that you have in your cupboard at home. But I love basmati because it cooks up perfect every time. So I'm just mixing this in. And by the way, this method of cooking the rice is referred to as the peel-off method. And that is you toasting the rice in the fat and with all the good seasoning before you actually add the water to it. I think I need a little bit more curry powder. This is 1 sachet of curry powder, so I'm just going to add all of it because I want that curry goodness. Alright. Now in this pot, I have 1 cup of seafood stock. If you don't have stock, you can just use water. I'm just going to pour that in. And that's all there is to it. Just make sure arrange everything so when it cooks it looks nice. And then I love okras, so this is not always added, but I love adding vegetables to all the dishes that I make. And okra is in season and I love to use seasonal vegetables, so just adding some okras, and that's it guys. Now all there is, we're gonna just cover the pot and come back in 15 minutes. Alright guys, so our seafood seasoned rice 1 pot is finally ready, and this is what it looks like. How simple was that? So again, if you want to find a great way to use up the seafood mix, this is the simplest way. You can add whatever flavor, you can add more vegetables that you like in there, you can add the rice that you like. I do hope you enjoy this tutorial on how to use the rainforest seafood mix. seafood mix is getting a moment with okra and basmati rice and a bag of flavor. You do enjoy.